Hi guys, Scott here from Outlaw Garage. Today we're having some fun with the Lotus. Check this out. So here we go, we're out at the milk bar again. It is a busy morning, look at this. There was a tram that just went past over there. We're here with a couple of Lotuses, Exiges. One of our friends is about to buy one of the last production, I think it's the last one of 16 into Australia. So this black one here is a little roadster. And then the more race prepped Exige here. We might try and get in one with a GoPro and take a bit of a look. But these are particularly nice. So here we go on the inside. Look at that shifter. Hopefully we're in focus there. This one's just over 400 horsepower. In weight about 1,000. So this thing will shift. So this chassis is aluminium bonded, and that's the same in all of them. Lovely seats. We will test that linkage in a moment. We'll hop in the car. But there's not much to them on the inside, but they are done really nicely. I guess there's not a lot that you can kind of do. Look at that. The one that our friend is getting, so this one is a 6-cylinder. I think they're a Toyota engine. This one's supercharged. The one our friend is getting is a 4-cylinder supercharged. That's around 240 horsepower and a weight of about 900. So they'll be fun out on track. We do have a little bit of a crane with us, so it is a little bit noisy today. So here we are in the Lotus. We are doing a one-handed recording at the moment. The exhaust valve is off. So this thing actually sounds really nice. Listen to that. Shifter mechanism, this is really nice on this. So clutch all the way in, it kind of like sucks itself into gear. Like, it's so smooth. Like, that's actually in gear, and I was kind of going for neutral, but the mechanism is lovely there. Out having a coffee, and here's a TVR Tuscan. Look at this thing. Put the coffee just by the side of the road a minute. Look at that. It is actually a wrap. It is a blue car. But that looks brilliant. This thing here is an old Auto Union. It actually looks a little bit like a Tempo Matador, so I think Wayne might be having nightmares about this right now. This would be fantastic to get on the channel if it's running. It might run. If it does, we're gonna have to get that bang on the channel. So here we go, there's massive roadworks going on today, but we do have a manual 997 turbo. This one is fully optioned. Ceramic brakes, red interior galore. This is magnificent. The owner does have a Lotus Escort, so we will be catching up with the owner. The guys are just having a chat over there. That is a lovely car. I don't think we could have found a noisier spot today. So we are down with the Lotuses this morning, but obviously we got distracted by the TVR, which is lovely. However, a little MR2 has turned up as well, which looks particularly nice with a T-top as well. And then an old Merc SL. So although we were going to be focused on the Lotuses this morning, we've been distracted. We've got a little R23 kit car here, ready for track. Look at this thing. It's been a cracking cars and coffee this morning. It's been a brilliant morning. It is a little bit noisy at the construction site, but it's not too bad, and it's been a nice morning out. So we're about to head off. Just before we go, 930 turbo convertible here with the race kit car over there that actually runs a little Ford Focus engine in it with ITBs. So that must go like off a shovel. Well, that's it from Cars and Coffee this morning, and the fun that we had with the Lotus. Loads of cars out. We are heading off to do some jobs for the rest of the day. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you later, guys.